हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो जेनिफर लोपेज का नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा। भाई देखो 53 की हैं वो, और लेकिन उनकी बॉडी, उनकी स्किन पूरी दुनिया वाह वाह करती है। आखिर करती क्या है वो ऐसी स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉडी, इतनी ग्लोइंग स्किन, ये सब बनाने के लिए? यही जानेंगे आज इस वीडियो में। तो हम रिसर्च किए हैं थोड़ी, तो उसके हिसाब से वो क्या क्या करती हैं। तो सबसे पहले जब वो उठती हैं तो वो 1 गिलास गर्म पानी, बहुत गर्म नहीं, ल्यूकवार्म वाटर, उसमें डालती हैं वो नींबू। तो ये उनका पहला ड्रिंक होता है। और वो उठती हैं सूरज उगने से पहले। जी, वो 5 बजे से पहले उठ जाती हैं और सबसे पहले उठ के वो करती हैं प्रेयर्स, मेडिटेशन और अफर्मेशन बोले तो वो अच्छे कोट्स होते हैं ना, हैप्पीनेस इज़ इन यू, उस तरह।
It says your success and happiness lies in you. Resolve to keep happy, and your joy and you shall form an invincible host against difficulties. Helen Keller said that.
अच्छे कोट्स जो आपके एक अच्छी टोन सेट करते हैं पूरे दिन के लिए। तो वो ऐसा करती हैं और उसके बाद वो 1.5 घंटा लगभग अपनी वर्कआउट करती हैं। उनके में डांस भी करती हैं, उनको डांस बहुत पसंद है। तो इन बिटवीन इन एक्सरसाइज को, कुछ एक्सरसाइज को वो विद डांस करती हैं। तो दिस इज़ अ टिपिकल वर्कआउट, और लगभग वो इसमें 1.5 घंटा लेती हैं। और इसके अलावा वो स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के लिए अगर उनको थेरेपी करानी होती है उसमें भी जाती है। वो उसमें कोई शर्म नहीं करती। शी ओपनली सेज आई गो फॉर थेरेपी टू मैनेज द एवरीडे स्ट्रेस। वो एक नॉर्मल महिला है, उनके बच्चे हैं, उनको ब्रेकफास्ट उनके साथ लेती हैं, उनको सी ऑफ करती हैं और उसके बाद उनका दिन शुरू होता है। तो उनके मॉर्निंग्स ऐसी होती हैं कि मॉर्निंग्स में वंस शी डन विद हर शावर, शी टिपिकली फॉर हर skin routine she puts moisturizer, she first put cleanser, then serum, neck to face, complete this area, and then the moisturizer, and then an eye cream. These 4 things she always follow, and that's it. She has her own chain of beauty products. She always use those only as per her YouTube channels and all. So her breakfast typically includes shakes of berries, Greek yogurt, honey, lemon juice, and protein shake. And sometimes she alternates it with oats with some fruits. And for lunch, she typically go for salmon, side of broccoli, zucchini, peppers, lean protein, eggs, and seagrass, and she stay away from processed food completely. Also, she is very much particular about caffeine, and also no alcohol. Very occasionally, maybe for a toast with friends. And yeah, that's typically her lunch. She also prefer, besides these things, very big veggie bowl of salad with lemon dressing, and olive oil is her all-time favorite thing. Her dinner, it's again, simple things: boneless chicken breast, sprouted brussels, baked beans, sometimes pork, quinoa, and yeah, sometimes she like rice and beans, brown rice, or the typical carbs meals we can get from her is she makes sure 8 to 10 hours of sleep. She completely give most of her credit for her body and skin to her sleep routine. She says 8 to 10 hours is must, or minimum 7, but she goes for 8 to 10 hours. And
how much sleep do you get?
I try to do between 7 and 9 hours a night. I love 11 if I could ever get it. Rarely. But I love it.
She makes sure drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Yeah, she's very, very particular about drinking lot of water all through the day.
What is it?
Water.
Water.
Lots of water. Believe it or not, it does help keep your weight down. It may, obviously keeps you hydrated. You can talk more about all of the benefits, but for me, it just feels good. It's mostly what I drink all the time. So
So how do you know if you've drunk enough water?
I don't like count it. I just drink it all day. It's the thing I drink.
I'm so happy.
And she goes for all organic food, no sugary drinks at all. Yeah, very occasionally if she has to. And yeah, that's all. She does dance to uplift her mood if she's stressful or not in a mood. She said that helps. And she also prefer small meals instead of 3 giant meals. She does break those meals in small meals. Jennifer Lopez, yeah, it's not about her celebrity, her high profile and all those. But those are different things, and that can be debated and shared. We can talk about where she is good, where she is not talented, isn't. But nobody can deny she has absolutely amazing body and absolutely amazing skin at the age of 53.